Hello, everyone. Thank you so much for joining me today. My name is Lily, and I am so happy that you are here with me today. Thank you from the bottom of my heart. Thank you so much. Today, I'm going to do something a little bit different that I've not done before, and that's because it's different today. I have a flip through I want to do of a journal that I just won. That's why I haven't done it before, because I've not won a journal before. And this is so, I'm speechless. Can you believe that? So about a month or so ago, maybe a little bit longer, Juni had a giveaway on her channel. And one of her subscribers actually purchased a journal for her to do a giveaway. And I commented and I won. And I love Juni's style. She goes by JD, and I will link her channel down below so that if you're not familiar with Juni, go take a look at her channel. She does great junk journals. She also shows her process of faith journaling, and I just love her style. It is so pretty, and to me, it's just such a serene style. And so I am so grateful and so fortunate to have won this. And so I just received it. I actually received it over the weekend, but it was a crazy busy weekend, so I didn't even get a chance to open it. So I set it aside until today so that we can open it together. I thought it would be fun for us to do that. And so let's just do it. Let's open it and do a little quick flip through of her journal. And oh my gosh, I'm so excited. How fun, you guys. And what's cool about this is I've done giveaways, and I'm always so excited to be able to do a giveaway and share one of my journals with you. So you can imagine how excited I am to be on the other end. And then from someone that I admire, you know, well, why would I enter someone who I don't admire? There isn't anyone I don't admire. Everyone that I follow is just simply amazing. Oh my gosh. By the way, it came all the way from Australia. Isn't that exciting? Wow. I almost don't want to open it, but I am, but I almost don't want to. Look at this, you guys. Just as beautiful as it looked in her video. So how exciting. And her packaging is so nice and neat. Wow. Wow. How exciting. So here is her card. She has an Etsy shop, and it is Willow Bound Journals. And you can see Juni Desiree is her name. How freaking exciting. So that is beautiful. Oh my goodness. What? I don't know. I can't remember what she said the cover is made from. It almost feels like a wallpaper, but wow. It is absolutely beautiful. And you may not be able to catch it on the camera, but it has like this satin finish, and it just feels so nice. It is sturdy. It is beautiful. Look at her stitching all the way around. It does have one signature. Absolutely gorgeous, you guys. Gorgeous. Oh, she sent me a little envelope. How sweet is that? Look at this. Wow. It looks like she may have embellished this. Oh my gosh, it is gorgeous. And some little ephemeras. Oh, so sweet. Oh my gosh, so nice. So nice. Oh, and it has a little stamp here. I really like this. This is really nice paper. It's so sturdy. I love it. Almost feels like a cloth paper. That's why I think maybe it's a wallpaper. I honestly can't remember. And she did a flip through of this. It just feels so good. Wow. I can't believe it to actually have one of her, you know, one of her journals. And I've gone on her shop and I've just oohed and awed over her journals. Wow. How nice. He's got vintage greeting cards here. Little postcard. Oh, look at this. That's a really nice, like a lace trim pocket. Magazine page. Oh, a vellum. Sheet of vellum. Oh, so cute. Oh, a nice little tag and a tuck spot. Oh my gosh, little clipped tag. I love how all of these papers feel. It is so nice. A magazine page. Look at how beautiful that is. Little note paper. Lots of stitching. I love these little cards. It's almost like looks like it may have been printed on photo paper, but I just love that sheen it has. Like a satin finish on it. Oh my gosh. I'm going through this really quick, but off camera, I'm going to go through it again much slower. These envelopes are so cool. Wonder how she does that. Wonder if she prints on this, or does she paint? Is it mixed media? I don't know, but I love it. Little note paper. Oh my gosh, so beautiful. Just beautiful. All the shades of blue and green. Almost like a botanical journal. So nice. Oh, a little vellum pocket for the tag. Look at how pretty this image is. Nice little postcard. Look at that. I love this. I love using magazine pages as the center pages in the signatures. I love that. Oh, look at this pocket. That's nice. Feels like tissue paper. Look at that. Oh my goodness. Absolutely gorgeous. Gorgeous, you guys. Wow. How amazing. What a generous subby that purchased this for her to give it away, and then for her to give it away. How generous is that? Just absolutely gorgeous. All the stitching. All the time. Look at this little Polaroid. Oh my gosh, look at this. Nice little envelope. I just love it. I love all the tuck spots. I love the stitching, the vellum papers, the magazine papers, the postcards, the pockets. Oh my gosh. These are like Polaroids. I love it. All the different papers and the different sizes that she uses. Absolutely gorgeous. Here's a pocket. Oh, a vellum or a glassine bag with one of her ephemeras. One of her handmade ephemeras. And this is the back page with her little stamp here. Absolutely gorgeous. Oh my gosh, you guys. Isn't that beautiful? Oh my goodness. I love it. I love how all of these strings are just hanging out. So much time and patience to create this. All the work that went into this. Oh my gosh. Thank you so much, Juni. Thank you for this wonderful, wonderful journal. Oh, I love it so much. You guys go check her out. She is so talented and has such a pleasant and joyful voice when she speaks. She just puts a smile on your face. You are going to love her. Wow. Oh my gosh, thank you so much. You guys, thank you so much for joining me. I wanted to just share this with you because I'm so excited. And so, okay, I'm going to go now, and then I'm going to flip through it again at a much slower pace. But how exciting. I wanted to share that with you guys because it is exciting to be on the other end of a giveaway. And I am forever grateful for this. Thank you so much for joining me today. And thank you for all of my new subscribers. I am so happy that you are here with me today. And if you're watching this and you are not a subscriber, please subscribe. I would love to have you here. You guys, let me know what you think, or if you are already familiar with Juni, yeah, let me know what you think. Oh my gosh, you guys, thank you so much. You guys take care, and I will see you next time. Thank you. Bye.